So video number one, a £300 purchase from Facebook Marketplace. Bought it locally. Has the Suzuki GS engine in, so it hasn't got the Chinese original engine. There's something malfunctioned on that, not too sure what. Didn't go into too much detail. Purchased as a non-runner, no MOT. Sat for about 18 months, as you can see. It's not looking too happy about things. So all we're going to do today is give things a general clean and have a quick look into why it's not running. So nothing changes on the dash. We'll try and pump a bit of power through. Nothing at all. Very dim headlight, which to me says it could be battery related on this one, fingers crossed. Not a lot of power going through things. So the battery is on this side here, behind that panel. One little bolt to take out, which I'll remove very shortly. But we'll get on to washing. I'll pop the link below, so you can get hold of the Mer stuff. Probably not the best stuff to be whacking in the Karcher, but it froths up nice, smells nice, and it stops a little bit of scrubbing, so that's what we're going to do. I'll also pop the link on for the jet wash. Quite handy to have, whether you're using snow foam or just general cleaning stuff. It works pretty well. So all I'm doing, get that ready mixed up, mixes as it comes through the lance. Whack as much of that on as possible. And then I'm going to use a brush to agitate all the bits and bobs and see what I can rinse off. And try and make it look like some sort of motorcycle. Remember, it was a £300 purchase, so I'm not looking for the new effect, as long as it's cleaner. Always clean these things before they hit MOT. Looks more presentable. The tester's not looking, you know, he's not going to be looking at a basket case, because that's what it was. It was advertised for $360. Got the lad down to $3. Stuck it in the van and got it home. So pretty much a yeah, bit of a loose buy. Never heard it running, no videos of it running, no evidence of that whatsoever, so it could be dud, but the idea is quick flip, So that's it with a good agitation, a good scrub down, really deep into that seat where it had the moss growing through it. Like I say, stood for 18 months and it shows. So all I'm going to do now is blast another lot of Mur over it, give it a clean rinse of water, and see how things are looking. Not too concerned about the chains and sprockets at this point, because I will re-lube them shortly before MOT. But as you can see, the Mur does a good job. With a good agitation, gets rid of most crap. So I'm just going to let that sit on, let it do its job. Then I'll hit it with some clean water, get rid of all that, get rid of all the Mur conditioner or shampoo, whatever you call it, off. And then, yeah, see what we're left with. So I'm just about done with the the first wash. I'm going to get to this battery now. Really, I should have a multimeter, have a little look where the battery's sitting at. It's not the case. So I'm just going to pop the panel off, see if it will take a charge. Hopefully I haven't got to buy a battery. So that's just a flathead screwdriver. It's quite a thick one, snapped in the past. So I've ground it down and it's used for stuff like this. So pull the panel off, the little tabs, and one battery. Now I was hoping it would take a charge. Would not take a charge, it was just coming up full straight away. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it to pulse for a good few hours, and then I'll see what we're sort of left with for tomorrow for the first fire up. So there will be another video. Please like and subscribe, gives me the motivation to carry on. But yeah, I look forward to part 2. Not bad for its first rinse. We're getting a little bit more voltage out of that. Obviously it's pulsing, so the current's all over the place. Let's see what tomorrow brings. Thanks for watching.